Okay, now see here, we have solved the problem, we have did the balancing of this instrument and how to check that it is get balanced. So just here, the positions of all the planes and the masses. Suppose we consider these two middle two planes and the position of these planes is towards this direction. Now I will give you some rotations by hand only to this shaft, and at the end of rotation this shaft has to rest, and once it rests these two planes has to show the direction in this direction, then only we can say that yes, it gets balanced. So in this way we can generally check the balancing. So just here I am giving the balancing rotation. Now see the direction of all the planes. Meanwhile consider the direction for these two. Now I am giving the rotation. Now see, I have given the rotation by hand. Now these middle two planes has to rest directing towards our mobile camera. Then only we can say that yes, it is balanced. If they are resting at any other place, then we will call it as they have not balanced properly. Yes, see here, these two planes are again stopped or rested by directing in this direction. So we can say that yes, the whatever the problem given to us, whatever the instrument given to us, that we have balanced very well. And yes, here we can say yes, we have did the static balancing. And we all know that in case of rotary masses, if we do the balancing, static balancing, then we can call it as gets dynamically balanced also. So there is no need to do the dynamic balancing separately, or there is no other way to balance dynamically. Once we do the static balancing, in case of rotating masses, we are calling it as it gets dynamically balanced. Okay. So here we comes to the end of this our experiment. Okay, thank you.